Hello, I am Purvi Maru and I am welcoming you all to my channel Food Health and Acupressure. Today we will be talking about acupressure points for epilepsy. Epilepsy is a disorder in which nervous cell activities are disturbed, causing seizures or period of unusual behavior and sometimes loss of awareness. Now let us know causes of epilepsy. Epilepsy can be caused because of any kind of brain injury. Genetics can also be a reason for epilepsy. That means if someone in your family is having epilepsy, then you are more likely to have this problem. Brain strokes or tumor in brain can also be a cause of epilepsy. Epilepsy can also be caused because of any kind of accident or trauma. Infectious disease like AIDS, etc. can lead to epilepsy. Prenatal injury can also be a cause of epilepsy. Development disorders like autism can also cause epilepsy. So now let us know about acupressure points. Before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please do subscribe and do share this video with others so that they can also get this informative videos. And if you want to join our WhatsApp group or Telegram group, then do click on the link in the description box. And over here you can see this is my Instagram account. You can also go and follow this page. Over here I share many acupressure points posts. Do check it out. Our acupressure point is on the back side of our hand on the middle finger. So on the second phalanx of the middle finger, you can, if you draw a straight line in the center of that phalanx, just on that line itself towards thumb side is this point, okay? Not exactly on the side line, but just beside that, okay? This point is called as stomach 40. Just know it again. So on the second phalanx of the middle finger, if you draw a straight line from the center of this phalanx, okay? So on that line itself, this point is towards thumb side, okay? But not exactly in the side, but just beside that. This point is called as stomach 40. So over here what we will do, we will press this point for 1 to 2 minutes properly, okay? Press it properly for 1 to 2 minutes, and after that we can apply seed therapy or magnet therapy on this point. For seed therapy, we will take paper tape and we will take tonification sedation magnet or buell magnets. So if you aren't having these magnets and if you want to buy them, then I have made a basic acupressure kit in which all these magnets, jimmies and all these things which we use in acupressure are included in that kit. I also made a video on it, so do check it out, and if you want to buy it, you can definitely buy it from us. On this point, we'll apply a tonification sedation magnet in such a way that the white part of the magnet will touch the skin, and from the outside you can see this yellow color of the magnet, okay? So we'll sedate this point, or you can also say it as we'll reduce the energy of this point. This point is bilateral, that means you can treat it on both the hands. If you are applying magnets, you need to apply it for 8 to 10 hours, and whenever you will remove it, you need to throw the tape and do not throw the magnets. You need to just bring both the magnets together so that they can energize themselves and you can use it again. Magnets do not expire. You can use it lifetime. So now let us know about seed therapy. For seed therapy, we will take paper tape and we will take fenugreek seed, or which you can also say it as methi dana. Take one fenugreek seed in a tape and we will apply this on this point properly. Okay, so we will apply it on both the hands. To apply this tape for 8 to 10 hours, and whenever you will remove it, you need to throw the paper tape and the seed away. Do not use the same seeds again. And on next day, take new paper tape with new seed on it. Do this treatment daily, you will definitely feel the results. So that's all for today. If you found my video good, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.